When homeowners think about increasing property value, they often focus on large renovations or exterior makeovers. However, one of the most effective upgrades can be simpler and more visually impactful: picture windows. For homeowners in Rockford, upgrading to picture windows can significantly enhance curb appeal while adding long-term value through improved light, comfort, and overall home presentation. Why first impressions matter: curb appeal shapes how a home is perceived before anyone steps inside. Windows play a major role in that impression, especially on front-facing living spaces. In Rockford neighborhoods, homes with clean, well-proportioned picture windows often stand out as brighter, more modern, and well cared for. These visual cues influence how guests, and potential buyers, feel about the home from the very start. How picture windows elevate exterior appearance: picture windows feature large panes of uninterrupted glass with minimal framing. This sleek design creates a polished, contemporary look without feeling out of place in traditional architecture. For Rockford homes, picture windows add balance and elegance to exterior walls. They break up flat surfaces, add architectural interest, and create a refined focal point that enhances the home's overall design. Increasing natural light adds perceived value. Natural light is one of the most desirable features in a home. Bright interiors feel larger, cleaner, and more inviting. Picture windows allow abundant daylight to enter living spaces. In Rockford homes, this increased light improves how rooms look and feel, which directly impacts perceived value. Buyers and homeowners alike associate bright interiors with comfort and quality. Making living spaces feel larger and more open, picture windows draw the eye outward, visually expanding interior spaces. This effect is especially valuable in living rooms and dining areas. Rockford homeowners often notice that rooms feel more open and airy after installing picture windows. This sense of openness enhances livability and makes the home feel more spacious without changing its footprint. Enhancing views without visual disruption: outdoor views add depth and character to interior spaces. Picture windows frame those views cleanly without grids or heavy framing. In Rockford properties, even modest landscaping or neighborhood scenery becomes part of the interior experience. This connection to the outdoors adds emotional appeal and elevates how the home is experienced day to day. Improving market appeal without over-renovating: not all value-boosting upgrades need to be extensive. Picture windows offer a noticeable improvement without requiring major structural changes. For Rockford homeowners considering resale, picture window upgrades signal thoughtful improvement rather than over-customization. This broad appeal makes the home attractive to a wide range of buyers. Supporting long-term comfort and enjoyment: value isn't just about resale, it's also about how a home feels to live in. Picture windows improve comfort by bringing in light and creating visually calming spaces. Rockford homeowners often find that rooms with picture windows become favorite gathering areas. Enjoyment and usability are important components of long-term home value. Minimal maintenance adds practical value: picture windows are fixed, meaning they have no moving parts. This simplicity contributes to long-term reliability and reduced maintenance. In Rockford homes, this low-maintenance design adds practical value. Fewer operational concerns mean fewer repairs and a more dependable window solution over time. Enhancing interior and exterior harmony: a home's value increases when its interior and exterior feel cohesive. Picture windows help achieve that balance by enhancing both sides of the wall. From the street, they add curb appeal. Inside, they create bright, open spaces. Rockford homeowners benefit from an upgrade that improves the entire home experience. A smart upgrade with lasting impact: picture window upgrades offer a powerful combination of style, comfort, and value. For homeowners in Rockford, boosting home value and curb appeal with picture windows is a smart investment. By enhancing natural light, improving visual appeal, and elevating everyday living spaces, Picture windows help homes look better, feel better, and stand out for all the right reasons, today and in the future.